Nutrition facts labels are found on almost all food packages and focus on key nutrients that affect our health. The labels allow us to investigate a food product and also compare food products so we can make more informed choices about what and how much we eat. You can see here the difference in the two labels. The label on the right is the newer label that came out in 2018. What differences do you notice? They have adjusted the serving size and servings per container for some products based on the amount we actually consume. So you'll notice this for things like individual bottles of soda or servings of ice cream. You'll also notice that the serving size is larger and in bold, as is the amount of calories per serving. If you look under total carbohydrates, you will also see the new label has a line to include added sugars. Do you know what added sugars are? The term added sugars refers to any caloric sweetener added to food during processing, cooking, or at the table. Added sugars are not the same as sugars naturally found in foods like fruit or even milk. So if you are investigating an ingredient list, look for the following words. Look for any word with sugar, such as granulated sugar or sugarcane juice, any ingredient with the word nectar, such as agave or fruit nectar, any ingredient with the word syrup, such as high fructose corn syrup or maple syrup, and any ingredient containing the word OSE, or the word ending OSE or OS. This includes sucrose, dextrose, or glucose. So the words that I just mentioned, those are things to look for if you're looking for added sugars on that ingredient list. You'll also notice that they've changed the label to include vitamin D and potassium instead of vitamins A and vitamin C. When we're looking at a nutrition facts label, pay careful attention to the serving size and how many servings there are per container. This is especially true for snack foods. For example, if this was a label for granola, we would see that the information is for 2/3 of a cup and there are 8 servings in the entire package. So, if I had 2/3 of a cup of this granola, that serving contains 230 calories, 8 grams of total fat, etc. If I had 1 1/3 cup, or 2 servings, we would need to double the calories, double the total fat, etc. If you had the entire package, you would need to multiply all of these numbers by 8, since there are 8 servings per container. Most of us don't measure out our food at every snack or meal, so we might need to do some math to find out how many servings we're actually eating.